I hope you have a great day. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color, different gradient. So I need only 2 stops. I'm going to delete other extra stops and I'm going to give it a gray color, this one, and to this top white color, this one, and direction from the left to right. Okay, and let me take this old hollow shape and drag hollow shape by holding shift alt and make it little bit thinner. Okay, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. I need smaller size, so I'm going to align center and align middle. Take a thin rectangle vertically and drag a thin rectangle vertically like this, and align center and align middle. Control D to duplicate it and align center, align middle by holding alt and press the right arrow key 4 times. And Control D to duplicate it, press the right arrow key 4 times by holding alt. Select all, go to fragment, make a merge shift and fragment. I am going to select these areas, these shapes, okay, by holding shift. Okay, let me select this last one and delete. Oh, sorry. Let me Control Z and select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. This is the last one. Control X. And now select this one, all shapes, and again Control V. Okay, delete this portion also. Control G to group it, and shape outline, make it no outline. Go to insert and take in all shape and drag on all shape by holding shift alt. Okay, I'm going to place it here over the hollow shape. Let me check it and make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to give it some gradient color, and I'm going with this gradient, so from up to down, from down to up. Okay, and shape outline, make it no outline. I'm going to give it some shadow effects. Let me go to shadow effect and I'm going to give it this shadow effect. Increase the transparency around about 75 or 75, or yes, 103 size, and blur according to your desire. Okay, select all and drag it in the side of the slide. Go to again, take a half hollow shape and drag a half hollow shape by holding shift alt through this handle. Rotate it, make it a little bit thinner. I'm going to fix it. Let me fix it, and okay, okay, go to shape and take an all shape and drag an all shape and put it here. See how it looks like. Let me make it a little bit smaller. I'm going to make its end and its start rounded, so I'm going to take an all shape here. Control D to duplicate. Let me zoom it and looks how it looks like. Okay, Control D to duplicate it, and on the other end of the half hollow shape, put it here. Let me zoom it to see how it looks like. Yes, align perfectly. Let me make it align. Okay, select all these three shapes and let me make it align it perfectly. Okay, yes. Now select these two oval shape and a half hollow shape and go to merge shape and union. Shape fill, no fill. Shape outline, give it some gray color, dark gray color. This one, yes. And now I'm going to go to insert again. Let me make it a little bit smaller, I think so. And put it here. It's okay. Go to again insert shape and take an oval shape, drag an oval shape by holding shift alt, make it a little bit smaller. That fix it through these inner these curve shape. Let me make it more little bit smaller. Zoom to see how it looks. Yes, okay. I think it's okay. Select this one, Control Shift C, and to transfer the effect, Control Shift V, and let me change its color. Select and let me first of all place it here one by one. I need 5 all shapes in this in this curve shape. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. Sorry, Control D to duplicate it. It's going on. Control D to duplicate it and place it here. This is the 5th all shape, so I'm going to put it here. Let me select and give it different color through the eyedropper. I'm going to give it the from the palette color, this color. Okay, shape fill, pick the eyedropper and give this one. Likewise, the third one color, select the fourth one color through the eyedropper, pick the eyedropper and click here over this color. Yes. Okay, I am going to give also these colors to these parts. Also this one from the recent color that I used recently, so I am picking from the recent color. You can also give this color through the eyedropper. So I'm unable to select this one, so I'm going to Control X and disappear here for a while. So I'm going to give this color to these shapes from the recent color that I have used recently. So Control V to make the all shape, center all shape. So take a text box O1 and put it here over the small all shape. This is one, and let me align it through the arrow keys white, make it white, Control D to duplicate it and put it here. By holding Alt, you can move any shape or any number or any word smoothly. So select Ctrl D to duplicate it, and this is number 3. This is number 4. And this is number 5. 3. And 5th. I'm going to make it 4. Change it to 4. So yes, I'm going to bring some text to the slide. Let me select the text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Let me select this one, Control C, and bring it to the slide by Control V. I'm going to fix it here, the text. Let me make it align this text. Okay, Control D to duplicate it. Put it here in front of number 2 and put it here in front of number 3. And Control D to duplicate it. Put it here in front of 4. Control D to duplicate it and put it here in front of 5. Let me make it at the center. Okay, I'm going to change the headline color according to the shape. This one, and this is the second one from the recent color. I'm going to pick these colors. These color I have used recently, so these color will be available in the recent color. Let me fix the headline that is goes in the center all shape, so I'm going to fix it, make it a little bit bigger in size, I think so. Hit enter, select and center align and place it here at the center of the all shape. And thank you for watching. Thank you.